So good morning, good morning students, and good morning one and all. So it's session 5. In the session 4, 3rd and 2 and 1, we are talking about the filters, applications, design criteria and drains. Same thing, design criteria, applications. So like that. So in the 4th session, we are talking about the landfill and liner system. Now in this session, we will talk about the cover system, The daily cover on an operational landfill site is the layer of compressed soil or earth which is laid on top of days and deposition of waste. And the final cover is multi-layered system of various materials which are primarily used to reduce the amount of stormwater and that will be enter a landfill after the closing. And the cover helps prevent the interaction between the waste and the air, reducing the odors and enabling a firm base upon which vehicle may operate. In the cover system, the landfill cover is usually consists of several layers. So this is here the final cover system is there. So several layers are there, maybe vegetative, protective, geocomposite, HDPE pipe, so like that. The objective of final cover system is to improve the surface drainage, minimize infiltration and support vegetation. The use of geomembrane liner as a barrier layer is favored by most landfill designers to limit the entry of surface water. The use of geomembrane liner as a barrier layer is favored by most landfill designer to limit the entry of the surface water and to control the release of landfill gases. The figure, so you have seen that. So there will be a gas flare station. To ensure the rapid removal of rainfall from the final cover of the landfill and to avoid the formation of puddles, the final cover should have a slope of about 3 to 5%. The cover system adopted at any landfill must satisfy the minimum requirements published by regulatory agencies. And this will be the conceptual cross-section of the landfill in that liner and the cover system will be covered. Here the so many layers are there. So already what we have discussed previously, 3 to 5% of that. So surface layer, protective layer, infiltration drainage, separator, barrier, again separator, gas collection and waste. So these are the components of the cover systems. So here the precipitation, reduce the precipitation infiltration and prevent physical contact and exposure to the waste. Sufficient cap may be enough thickness of soil to prevent the human and animal from the digging into waste. So what is the purpose of vegetation here? So in the first layer they will provide the vegetation erosion control and infiltration reduction by evapotranspiration. The purpose of providing the vegetation is erosion control, infiltration reduction by evapotranspiration. So what are the characteristics? Shallow rooted plants are there, not the deep one, shallow rooted plants, low nutrient needs and heat resistance. And the next one will be the protective layer, or it will be a soil layer. It will be the nearly 90 centimeter layer of cobbles to stop the burrowing animals and deep roots. And filter layer, it prevents the clogging. It prevents the clogging of drainage layer by fines from the soil layer. Maybe geosynthetic filter fabric of 30 centimeter sand the drainage layer. It minimizes the contact between infiltrated water and low permeability layers, prevents the ponding of water on geomembrane filter. So these are the advantages of the layers. The next, it will be again a cover system design, the cross section of the cover system. So with the dimensions, so what we have discussed earlier. So it will be a landfill cover system. So what in detail, so what the cross section will be, it will be the landfill lining system and it will be the landfill cover system, and the waste will be provided. And the final cover system installation. If a final cover system is constructed during the bioreactor, operations, it may require more maintenance than an interim operations, some reconstruction after the waste has stabilized. For increasing the design flexibility, the final cover should be constructed after waste has been sufficiently stabilized. When a soil interim cover is proposed, its performance should be monitored, and if necessary, an interim cover that incorporates a geomembrane or final cover system should be installed, and it should be designed to prevent the bathtub effect. Thank you.